Welcome to the Easy English Learning Channel.
Today we learn the opposite phrasal verbs Pictionary. Awake. He is awake. Asleep. He is asleep. Good. This is a good banana. Bad. This is a bad banana. Beautiful. This is a beautiful doll. Ugly. That is an ugly doll. Bold. She is very bold. Timid. She is very timid around the people. Bright. This lamp light is very bright. Dim. That lamp light is very dim. Broad. This tree is very broad. Narrow. That tree is narrow. Adult. She is adult. Child. She is a child. Full. This box is full. Empty. That box is empty. Funny. He is funny boy. Serious. She is serious girl. Happy. She is very happy. Sad. She is a sad. Heavy. He lift very heavy weight. Light. This baby is very light weight. Honest. He is honest boy. Dishonest. He is a dishonest boy. Hot. This is very hot. Cold. This is very cold. Laugh. She is laugh. Cry. He is cry. Sweet. She like to eat sweet. Sour. She don't like to eat sour. Thick. This book is thick. Thin. That book is thin. Old. He is an old man. Young. He is a young boy. Tall. She has tall height. Short. He has short height.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TeenTube for more fun-filled educational videos.